there, little fella.
Well, hello there, chaps.
Hello?
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 Yes, hello? Glad you came back.
Did you notice? If you
Subscribe. Riches beyond your wildest dreams.
Are you for real?
Oh, no, of course not.
What, you're celibate?
Let's get this party started!
Hello, everyone, and a warm welcome to Wall Street Bets Hourly Report, where the latest buzz from the Wall Street Bets Forum is dissected for all you investment enthusiasts. Today's report features some riveting discussions and analyses from the community. The standout mentions include Meta Platforms with a blend of skeptical and optimistic takes, NVIDIA basking in a triumphant rally, SPDR S&P 500 ETF showing resilience, and some cautious words around Tesla's recent moves. Also in today's mix are Amazon and Advanced Micro Devices receiving a moderate amount of attention, and Apple being scrutinized amidst mixed sentiments.
Oh, yeah, no, I wouldn't kill the bull. That's not nice. What I like to do is, I like to get to know the bull, teach it how to read, that kind of thing, to make him...
Remember, liking and subscribing to this channel is as important as doing your own due diligence. So don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and check out WallStreetBetsHourlyReport.com for more detailed insights. This report is not financial advice, it's a wrap-up of the stories that have been shaping market sentiment as seen through the eyes of Wall Street Bets. Stay tuned as we dive into these stocks, their narratives, and what traders are saying.
Jesus, man, could you change the channel?
Starting off with Meta Platforms, which has been quite the conversation starter. The sentiment towards Meta Platforms started bearish with regards reflecting on pessimism surrounding the prospects of the stock. Skepticism was a recurring theme, with discussions about market outcomes being priced in and doubts about the efficacy of Meta's strategic directions. The bearish tone was echoed in the mention of recession fears, underpinning the cautious approach to the stock.
And the bear is coming back right through there.
Following this, however, there was a noticeable shift. Far removed from the early caution, optimism began to bubble to the surface as regards discussed regrets over not holding onto calls and celebratory posts hinting at significant gains expected with the opening market. As the day wore on, Meta Platforms commanded bullish sentiments with regards sharing predictions of notable option gains and comments that reflected enthusiasm. There were stories of joy with successful Meta trades and anticipation for future positive movements.
Nobody would bid against the bull.
As the forum members exchanged more thoughts, some claimed a short opportunity was approaching, yet others praised the company's resilience, citing that fears of bankruptcy were unfounded. Though there was speculation about the stock buyback being a mere temporary lift before a potential downturn, the overarching tone remained bullish. The sentiment zigzagged a bit towards the end, with some regards showing speculative remarks on both the bear and bull side. The forum also added thanks to Zuck, likely for Meta's push into artificial intelligence, further showing the community's hopefulness in the company's strategic moves.
Today the bullpen's okay.
Moving on to NVIDIA, this stock encapsulated the community's triumphant air. Multiple regards reported substantial gains, pointing to the stock's impressive rally with mentions of fear of missing out for those who didn't participate. Amidst narratives of individual stock success stories, NVIDIA stood out as an excellent example of these gains, with one regard noting a 3,000% increase on a specific call option. Buoyed by this enthusiasm, many anticipate outperformance, with some even placing bets on a $1,000 share price by June 1, 2024.
Just a bull out me riding.
Some regards expressed skepticism about the market's continued rise and whether stocks like NVIDIA are set for a downturn. Yet, the discussions around NVIDIA remain decidedly bullish, with a constant undercurrent of FOMO driving regards to share bullish predictions and plans for aggressive plays. The impending earnings call added to the excitement, reinforcing a confident outlook that NVIDIA will maintain its upwards trajectory.
And still the bull stands, bloodied but unrelenting.
Taking a glance at SPDR S&P 500 ETF, members discussed its movements with varying degrees of optimism and skepticism. The ETF was often cited in conversations around broader market analysis, with mentions of the significant gains achieved with SPY options. The community showed an acute awareness of macroeconomic factors at play, reacting to significant events such as the jobs report and its impact on the Federal Reserve's interest rate decisions.
Doing the bull dance, feeling the flow, working it.
The sentiment here was mixed, as discussions varied from bullish predictions of SPY breaking the $500 mark to concerns about overvaluation and the long-term impact on the market. Some advised loading up on puts, hinting at a bearish sentiment, while others showed their holding SPY for the long haul, suggesting a bullish mindset amidst the forum.
What the hell is going on?
Tesla faced mixed sentiments as well, reflecting the forum's divided attitudes towards the electric car giant. Questions around CEO Elon Musk's decisions and public behavior sparked conversations, with regards oscillating between disappointment in stock performance and speculation on potential losses. The sentiment veered towards bearishness with contemplations of purchasing puts annually until proven otherwise. As the discussions evolved, Tesla was mentioned in contexts suggestive of opportunistic trading, with a regard claiming to have capitalized on Tesla's minor stock dip due to a recall issue, but the sentiment remained hard to pin as bullish or bearish, staying neutral overall.
I just need to punch you in the face.
Amazon's discussions pointed towards a bullish sentiment, with regards expressing contentment with significant gains on their calls. Yet, there were differing views on whether to sell immediately after the market opening or to wait for a run-up in prices. The mixed discussions around Amazon indicated varying strategies and sentiments, encapsulating the forum's diversity in trading approaches.
What the hell's going on?
Lastly, Advanced Micro Devices, while not commanding the forum's spotlight as much, had its moment with regards reporting profitable trades due to the CPU maker's market performance. However, there seemed to be a lack of trust in the market stemming from past experiences. Even though one regard claimed to have made a decent sum, the discussions remained mixed, balancing cautious optimism with a nuanced view of the stock's potential.
Hey, do you know what's happening with the stock market?
To summarize the most talked about stocks, Meta Platforms saw a mix of bearish and bullish sentiments but ended leaning more towards optimism as discussions unfolded. Nvidia painted the rosiest picture with a consistently bullish atmosphere filled with stories of enormous gains and robust confidence in the company's future, particularly in anticipation of its earnings report. The SPDR S&P 500 ETF was the embodiment of the broader market sentiment, a blend of optimism with a tinge of caution, reflective of the community's mixed outlook. Tesla's narrative was more nuanced, with the discussions indicative of a community divided on the company's future and leadership. Amazon and Advanced Micro Devices remained moderate in attention, yet their mentions contributed insightful bits to trading strategies and the overall market sentiment.
I'm good because I'm about ready to punch you.
Ultimately, these conversations illustrate how individual stocks can spark a range of emotions and strategies amongst traders. Whether it's the regret of missed opportunities, the joy of a well-timed trade, or the anticipation of what's to come, the Wall Street Bets community remains a bustling hub for exchange of such experiences and sentiments, full of triumph, caution, levity, and diverse expectations for the future.
Thanks for coming back.
Yes. You really are a clever boy.
Clever boy.
I must ask you.
You subscribe
To this.
Subscribe.
So farewell, goodbye, regrets, etc., etc.
So I bid thee farewell, sweet Sandy.
I bid you farewell.